Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome to our exciting adventure into the fascinating world of prepositions. Today, we're going to explore prepositions of time and place. These small but powerful words play a big role in shaping our language and give us important information about when and where events happen. So let's begin this exciting journey. Our first stop takes us to the world of time, where prepositions help us navigate through different moments. Let's learn more about how to use prepositions of time and understand how they help us talk about when things happen. The word at is like a compass. It helps us point to specific moments in time, like hitting the center of a target. For example, we have a meeting at 9 a.m., so remember to mark your calendars and be on time. She usually goes to bed at midnight, finding peace in the quiet late hours. The word in refers to periods or durations of time, like a big picture that includes events within it. For example, the concert is in July, a month when music and emotions come together in a beautiful way. I'll be on vacation in 2 weeks, eagerly waiting for relaxation and exciting adventures. The word on helps us talk about specific days and dates, like a bridge that helps us move along the timeline of our lives. For example, we're having a party on Friday, a fun celebration to welcome the weekend with joy and laughter. Her birthday is on the 15th of August, a special day for heartfelt wishes, celebrations, and making memories. Now let's explore the world of place, where prepositions help us describe locations and positions. These words allow us to create vivid pictures with our words. The word in means being inside a larger area or space, like finding comfort within the walls of a beautiful castle. For example, she is sitting in the car, surrounded by comfortable seats as she starts her journey. The book is in the library, among shelves full of knowledge waiting to be discovered. The word on means touching or being in contact with a surface, like a dancer gracefully moving on a stage. For example, the keys are on the table, resting on its smooth surface, ready to unlock new possibilities. The picture is on the wall, adding beauty, inspiration, and personal expression to the room. The word at tells us about a specific point or location, like a guiding star leading us to our destination. For example, I'll meet you at the park, near the beautiful fountain. Look for the big oak tree, that's where we agreed to meet. They live at 123 Main Street, a cozy home in a lively neighborhood, a place they proudly call their own. While we've learned about the general use of prepositions of time and place, it's important to remember that context is key. The meaning of prepositions can change depending on the situation. So always consider the context and choose the right preposition to communicate accurately. In this section, we'll dive into useful tips and tricks that will help you master the usage of prepositions. Knowing when and where to use each preposition can be challenging, but don't worry, we're here to help. Throughout this segment, we'll share practical techniques and strategies to make using prepositions easier for you. These tips will not only assist you in remembering the correct prepositions in various situations, but also enhance your understanding overall. Associate prepositions with visuals. Visualize the meaning of prepositions by associating them with images or scenes. For example, imagine yourself standing at a park or in a car. This visual connection can help you remember which preposition to use. Pay attention to collocations. Certain words tend to go together with specific prepositions. For example, we say in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, on Monday, on Tuesday, at night, and at noon. Being aware of these common collocations will assist you in using prepositions correctly. Take note of phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs are verb phrases consisting of a verb and a preposition or adverb. Pay attention to the prepositions used in these phrasal verbs, as they often have specific meanings and usage. For example, get up, look after, or give in. In this section, we'll explore some special cases where using the right preposition is important. These situations include being on the internet, reading in a newspaper, listening on the radio, browsing in a magazine, watching on TV, and looking at pictures or photos. Paying attention to these details will help you communicate more accurately. So, let's dive in and discover these important prepositional nuances together. Be aware of idiomatic expressions. Idiomatic expressions often have prepositions that are unique to their meanings. Learning these expressions and their associated prepositions will enhance your understanding of their usage. For example, in the meantime, on the other hand, or at first glance. On the internet. We use on when referring to being connected or accessing something through the internet. For example, I found that information on the internet. In a newspaper. We use in when referring to something that is published or written within the pages of a newspaper. For example, there was an interesting article in today's newspaper. On the radio. We use on when talking about something that is broadcasted or heard through the radio. For example, I heard a great song on the radio this morning. In a magazine. We use in when referring to something that is published or written within the pages of a magazine. For example, there is a fascinating article in this month's magazine. On the TV. We use on when talking about something that is broadcasted or viewed on television. For example, I watched an exciting show on TV last night. In a picture or photo. We use in when referring to something that is contained within a picture or photograph. For example, there is a cat in the picture. Wow, we have prepared a special treat for you, a completely free cheat sheet about the prepositions of time and place. Find it in the video description and be ready for homework. For homework, actively practice using prepositions of time and place. Choose one preposition of time and one preposition of place. Write 2 sentences in the comments using your chosen prepositions to describe different situations. This exercise will reinforce your understanding and application of these prepositions. Also, we have a fantastic quiz prepared just for you to practice prepositions. It's completely free, so find it in the video description and get ready for some interactive learning. Congratulations on successfully learning about prepositions of time and place. By mastering these words, you'll be able to express yourself accurately and beautifully. Remember to use prepositions in your daily conversations and watch your language skills improve. Stay tuned for more helpful language lessons and keep exploring the wonders of the English language.